Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio, so sign in and open content. Select the video you want. Once in the Details view, click Editor to begin. Make sure you're working on a draft or copy so original uploads stay unchanged. Next, preview the timeline and confirm video aspect 16, 9, and audio levels. This avoids later sync problems. Now, move the playhead to the first cut point and prepare to trim. This is the first tangible edit that shapes the whole video. Once trimmed, focus on precision. Use split to isolate segments, then delete or rearrange clips to tighten pacing. Make sure to zoom the timeline for frame-level cuts. Subtle changes improve viewer retention. Next, add background tracks from the audio library. Lower music to keep vocals clear and apply fade-ins or fade-outs so transitions feel natural. Then insert end screens and cards and enable automatic captions. Adjust their timing to match spoken words for accessibility and now preview the entire video at 1080p to confirm edits and check caption timing versus audio. Make small fixes if needed. Once satisfied, save your changes, choose visibility, public, unlisted, or private. Then update title, description, tags, and upload a custom thumbnail that matches content. Finally, click Publish when ready. If the export or save fails, clear your browser cache, try another browser, or re-upload a short trimmed test file to isolate the issue before repeating the full export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.